Welcome or welcome back to Christine Curls. In this channel, it's all about showcasing the beauty of natural hair, and it's also about spreading Jesus Christ through inspirational videos. If you like those type of videos, be sure to subscribe and also like this video. Do enjoy!
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another natural hair video for this channel. Today I will be doing my wash and go with you guys, and I will be reviewing a brand new gel on this channel. It is not new to me, you guys. This was actually one of my favorite gels, and then suddenly they stopped selling it and I was so sad. Then I went on to find the Dady Gel, which is my favorite gel. If you have been following me, you know that that gel is my favorite gel. And suddenly my sister found back this gel, you guys, and this is the gel. And this gel, it is from Dady Gel as well, but it is the extreme one. You guys, this was one of my favorite. And when my sister brought it home, I was like, where did you find it? And I was so happy. So I am here to review it with you guys to let you guys see the beginning, the middle, and the end of this gel. This gel is a Dominican Republic gel. So in case if you're in the Dominican Republic, you guys can easily find this gel. In case if you're on the islands, Caribbean islands, I believe you can find this gel very easily. But yeah, I'm gonna start right now, you guys. So it is a bright color. I love the Dady Gel. So let's open it. Of course, I have to do the smell test. Oh, it smells like conditioner. It smells clean. It smells fresh, and this is how it is looking. Let me do the thick test. Let me see how thick it is. Yep, it passed the thick test. So you guys, we're gonna start right now. Okay, you guys, so this is what we are working with. I feel like whenever it is time for me to wash my hair, it gets even longer. So there I go. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. As you guys can see, my hair, it is not soaking wet, but it is more on the damp side. And I'm gonna start by parting my hair, sectioning my hair because my hair, it is very thick. And of course, I will be using none other than my Bounce Curls brush to really get those curls popping and really define and all that good stuff. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I sectioned off my hair into 6 sections. So this is the thick curly hair girl method. Always section your hair. So I'm gonna start off with this piece. And of course, I'm gonna section it even more. Okay, I'm gonna start by combing out the hair, and then I'm gonna start with the Dady Gel Extreme. Okay, it is thick, you guys, really, really thick. Mm. I feel like it is more thicker than the Eco Salad Gel. Of course, I have to go ahead and comb out the hair. And then I love to go ahead and go back, making sure each strand is coated the gel. You guys seen how it is laying down my hair? It is laying down the curls. This is a good sign. Yep, and that is it. So this is how it is looking. So far, a lot of definition. I'm not seeing no flyaways or nothing like that. But I can't talk too quick. I completely forgot the results of this gel, you guys. I haven't used it in for years. So I am excited to see the results once the hair is dry. So I'm gonna proceed. Okay, you guys. So I finished the first piece of my sixth division. So this piece it is now done. So I can now talk more about this gel. Um, I cannot help myself but to compare it to the original Dady Gel. So you guys know I love that gel. That gel is a moisturizing gel. I've never seen a gel that moisturizes your hair. Once the curls are dry, it actually leaves your curls well nourished, soft to the touch. And when you put your hands in your hair, you can literally feel like the hair is oily, the hair is moisturized. But this gel, on the other hand, I feel like this gel will not give me moisturize. This gel will not give me like the softness that the original Daddy gel gives me. But nevertheless, on the container, it is marked extreme. So when you hear the word extreme, you probably hair hold. It is known to be a hold gel, a gel that keeps the hair hold, a gel that really defines the curls and also gives you long lasting curls. So that is the difference that I'm seeing compared to the Daddy Gel Extreme to the original Daddy Gel. But nevertheless, the curls are just gorgeous. I didn't wanted to apply water, extra water to my hair. Why? Because I want my hair to dry really quickly, and that is a method that I learned. Once you don't start on soaking wet hair dries, the curls dries easily and more faster. So this is what I'm going for today because I have to go out. I have to go out, so I want my curls to dry really fast. So yeah, this is what it is looking like, and I'm gonna continue now on the other side of my hair. Okay, you guys, so I am finally finished the back of my hair. So this is what the back is looking like. And I told you guys the not styling your hair with your hair soaking wet method, it is the bomb because I can already feel like the back of my hair is already drying. So I am loving this method and like how outdoor actually in my garden. So I have the fresh breeze, the wind is blowing and it is drying my hair rapidly. Okay, you guys, I'm now gonna start at the front. I always get excited when I'm at the front of my hair. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished all of my hair. So this is the result. Well, it is still wet, but this is it. I am now finished all of my hair. My hair is so long. Look at that. Everything it is so curly. Okay, now, you guys. I have to come back with the final results, of course, once the hair is dry. But nevertheless, I can let you know more or less how this gel is so far. It is a thick gel. It is very thick. I find that it is more thicker than the Eco Styler gel and it weighed down my curls. So as you guys can see the exact length of my hair, it definitely weighed down my curls. It defined my curls and the shine, it is there. No frizz in sight. I love that. But of course, I have to come back and give my final review once the hair is 100% dry. So I'll be back shortly, you guys. Well, not shortly, but as soon as my hair is 100% dry, I will be back. Okay, you guys, I am back with the results. So my hair is 100% dry. Oh, you guys, this gel has been deceiving. I haven't used it in a very long time, so I forgot the results, you guys. And the results is that this gel dried my curls soft. Yes, although it is marked extreme daddy gel, it left my hair extremely soft. Oh, I wish you guys could touch it. So these are the results. As you guys can see, the curls are really defined, soft to the touch. No, I want to say no frizz, but I'm getting a little frizz in the back, but it's that good type of frizz. And overall, I am loving it, you guys. This gel was affordable. As I said in the beginning, my sissy, it was the one who surprised me with that gel, and she bought it for $4.95, I believe. Yes, $4.95. So as you guys can see, that is affordable. It is more on the budget friendly scale, and yeah, the results are just the bomb. You guys know that I'm a Caribbean girl. I live on the island of Saint Martin, and it tends to get very, very hot. So that's the reason why I put up my hair in a style. I said, not me going out with my hair all out, and that way I can be sweating and so on. So I did a little side, some up, some down hairstyle. So this is it. I hope you guys are seeing good. I know my lighting is not all the best, and I did my edges, of course. So yes, if you guys love this video, do give it a big thumbs up. If you have yet, if you have tried this gel, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Let me know. Let me know if this is a type of gel that you will go ahead and try as well. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.